हाय गाइस। सो आज मैं एक गांव के पास आया हूँ। मेरे घर के पास ये गांव है एंड यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा ट्रेल है। It's only about 3 kilometers long. So I'm planning to go there just for a bit. And I have got a new camera today. I'm using GoPro Hero 12 and I'm using new riding gear which I ordered basically for off-road riding. So this has a bionic armor over which I wear a jacket and I have the same riding pants. So you can see that the trail is not marked on the map, as in you can't direct a bike or a car there. So I've put a paidal rasta, walking I've put, and it's showing till end of trail, and then I'll return from end of trail. And the thing is that the route all the way here was really nice, so I will record that while going back. I didn't record it while coming here because I was not sure how it's gonna look and it's gonna waste my memory, because GoPro 12 shoots in 4K HDR, takes up shitloads of memory. So yeah, that's about the background of today's video. So let's go and see. I hope I don't crash and come back in one piece. Let's go. Okay, so you can see it's an uphill and I'm supposed to go uphill. Neutral falls में चला गया यार, 1 पे जाना था. Sorry, I might look like a noob right now. I'm not even sure it's gonna be a trail anymore because this rasta is showing trail और ये तो paved हो गया. Okay, anyways, we'll still go. And if it isn't trail, then sorry guys, then you might just get to see a 4K HDR video of some really beautiful unvisited place. I think that's still really something. Look at this jungle, guys. I'm going through a jungle. I really like Maharashtra because of this. It's sprawled with the Western Ghats, and Western Ghats are like so nice. I just love it. I feel pity that I wasn't born in Maharashtra. I would have called myself a proud Marathi that I belong to the Western Ghats. It's really something, guys. I'm really proud of the Western Ghats. Yeah, I guess trail is here. Sandy trail, bro. So it's gonna be, oh, height. Oh no, I'm going wrong. Go back. उधर wrong है, अब रास्ता उधर है. Sorry, I'll cut this part. Oops. And with this, I mark the end of my trail and go to this gravel patch. Oh my god, just look at the scenery, guys. It's so wide open out here. I feel like I'm in the womb of Mother Nature. I have to be careful because it's downhill now and don't know where it goes hairpin. As I can see, it's all blind. So whenever you're downhill, bad roads, go to rear brakes and feather them so that you don't go all out of control on these downhills, because the thing is, you lose speed, you gain speed and then you try to brake hard. So braking hard on such surfaces is also not easy because it's a loose surface, so you will end up crashing really badly. So always feather the rear brakes, make sure you're holding the rear tire and feel it drag you, and then wow, just 1 minute, I'll just grasp this, just grasp this beauty which is so close to my home. I'm glad they paved it. It's still loose, so it's still some adventure is there. It's not fully tarmac. Wow, guys, Mother Nature in all its glory. Again, rear brake, feather the rear brake, downhill, loose surface, hairpin, all sorts of things for you to panic and crash. But the beauty about it is that once you lose the panic and think about what to do, you will be out of that situation, just like me. Now back, when I'll come back, it's all gonna be uphill, so those hairpins will be like uphill hairpins. So that is another challenge. Like you saw that false neutral चला गया अगर, तो uphill में तो आप गाड़ी खट से बंद हो जाएगी. You'll stop getting power and you'll fall. And falling is something which is not ideal. Well, I think I'm fulfilling the purpose of this bike. It was designed to be taken to places like these and not designed to be ridden in civilization. It's designed to be ridden anywhere, but yeah, you get the point. Where is the adventure in a concrete jungle? For that you have Duke, right? Ducasse. Okay, now again some off-road trail is coming up. Yeah, now I'm reaching the base, so I think it's gonna be flat from here. I've crossed the mountain part, and let's see, rasta hai bhi ya nahi? Hai. Acha. Hai. Beautiful, guys. Mix of trail and mountain and a lovely scenery. What more you can ask for? And see, time is 1:10 p.m. It's not like I'm going for a morning ride or I'm you know waking up early. I'm just a lazy guy. I don't want to do all of that. So instead, where's the rasta? Instead, I'll just wake up when I want to and go when I want to and be happy about my life and enjoy while I'm doing these trails, you know. So that's about it. और मॉनसून से पहले आप ये सब कर लो तो अच्छा है, क्योंकि गाइस मॉनसून में तो ट्रेल्स कर पाना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, ट्रैक्शन ही नहीं होगा और क्या मतलब आप एडवेंचर के सिवाय आप बस फंस के रह जाओगे और कुछ मज़ा ही नहीं आएगा, तो क्या फ़ायदा, उससे अच्छा घर बैठो। हो गया गाइस, ये देखो ये बाहर आ गया मैं, तो बाहर तो नहीं जाऊंगा मैं यहाँ से I'll take U-turn and go back. So we're back to the gravel area. So now it's gonna be uphill. So make sure you're in the right gear. As soon you go uphill and you start losing torque, then accelerating more won't help you because you've already started losing torque. So in that case, it's better to be in the lowest gear. See, hairpin, first choose a clean line. Don't go over these boulders. Okay, and once you've got the clean line, then make sure you put your foot down a little bit to get some weight. Don't put it on the ground. Just do it like the motocross riders. Just put it like this, like this. See the view, guys. Just amazing. I feel really good. I may feel good for the people who live in these areas. They live in much cleaner air, greener environment. They eat healthy. So they have everything good going for them. So it's not like you start earning money, you get settled in Delhi or something, and you breathe poison and you think that your life is sorted. Words of wisdom, guys. कभी कभी मैं बहुत ज्ञान दे देता हूँ. एज हो गई है ना मेरी. आई एम नॉट लाइक अ बैचलर एनी मोर. मैं भी बैचलर था, सो जस्ट मैं बैचलर लाइफ से गुजर के मैंने कुछ चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस की हैं. फिर मैं एज अ रिस्पॉन्सिबल पर्सन मैं अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज़ निभा रहा हूँ फैमिली की, तो वैसे भी मैंने कुछ चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस की हैं. सो आई फील दैट आई हैव द बेस्ट ऑफ both worlds, which is like an independent bachelor life experience and a responsible person experience. So words of wisdom वहीं से आते हैं. Sometimes I feel कि जो मेरा experience है, it is only my experience and not everybody has felt the same way about things. So I feel कि many people are like me who also feel the same way and maybe would connect with me and they would feel like they're not alone in this world, which is very important. Again, more words of wisdom overload. अब हम लोग रोड पे आ गए हैं, वापस जाएंगे. तो मैं थोड़ा मैप में अपडेट कर लेता हूँ. जस्ट I'll update my location. Yeah, let's go, guys. I'll show you the way back, how beautiful that also is. See these houses? Maybe I am the one disturbing their peace with this engine. गियर इज़ वेरी नाइस. फर्स्ट टाइम एक्सपीरियंस कर रहा हूँ ट्रेल पे. बहुत अच्छा हवा लग रही है, अच्छे से गर्मी तो नहीं लग रही. एंड बहुत मोबाइल है. It's not restricting my movement like a riding jacket. So maybe all road riding and tarmac riding में आप riding jacket डाल सकते हो, पर मैं तो सोच रहा हूँ उसमें भी नहीं डालूं. अब मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगर नहीं डालूंगा तो riding jacket खरीदा क्यों मैंने. Because it's so comfortable, snug. सारे आर्मर्स चिपक के बैठे हैं अपनी जगह पे और गर्मी भी कम लग रही है. तो जैसे गर्मी में टूर करना है तो this is much better, I would say. DSG guys, ड्रीम स्पोर्टिंग गियर एडवेंचर सीरीज राइडिंग गियर। इसका सिर्फ जैकेट है मेरे पास, आर्मर है बायोनिक आर्मर, बहुत ही ये है मतलब अफोर्डेबल है इसका बायोनिक आर्मर, नॉट लाइक अल्पाइन स्टार्स एंड ऑल। उसके बायोनिक आर्मर में तो आपका एक मतलब बहुत पैसे चले जाएंगे। जितने में उसका एक बायोनिक आर्मर आएगा ना, उतने में आपको DSG का फुल सिस्टम आ जाएगा। और आई थिंक DSG भी पुणे बेस्ड है, तो मुझे अच्छा लगता है जब लोकल कंपनीज अच्छा काम करती है ना, बहुत अच्छा लगता है। एंड इट्स ऑलवेज लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो वन ऑफ दोज गाइज कि भाई वोकल फॉर लोकल होना चाहिए। इफ यू डोंट बाय योर स्टफ तो फिर कौन खरीदेगा? और ट्राई करके देखो ना, जब आपको पता चलेगा कि यार इतने कम पैसे में मुझे सेम फीचर्स मिल रहे हैं, तब आपको लगेगा कि वो फॉरेनर वाले कंपनीज के हमें लूट रहे हैं। आर दे ओवर प्राइसिंग देयर इक्विपमेंट while in reality they give the same features? कुठे जायचे दादा? तुम्ही सांगा मला। मला जायचे मारुंजी। तो गाइस मैंने दादा को लिफ्ट उठा लिया है। अच्छा होता है लिफ्ट दे देना। आप कहाँ जाएंगे वो भी। तो मैं थोड़ा कंफर्ट मोड में चलाऊंगा बिकॉज आई कांट डू रैश ड्राइविंग व्हेन समबडी इज सिटिंग विथ मी ऑन द पिलियन। ठीक है ना दादा? बैठे हो ना ठीक से? बैठे हो ना ठीक से? ठीक से बैठे हो? ठीक से बैठे हो ना? पकड़ लो पीछे। मुझे लगता है दादा को हिंदी नहीं आती। मुझे जितनी मराठी आती थी मैंने बोल दी। दादा ये कौन गांव है?
ये पाटण
हेवड़। इकडे ठीक है दादा। हो गया गाइस ड्रॉप। आई होप काका मेरे को अच्छा स्टार रेटिंग दे दे। I think I caught some air. वीडियो में देखूंगा बाद में. So this area is called Khasar Sai, Chandkhed, and it's after Mulshi. After, not after Mulshi, sorry. It's after my Kolte Patil Housing Society, Life Republic Housing Society. तो अच्छी जगह है. काफ़ी लोग यहाँ प्रॉपर्टीज लेते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स गुड कनेक्टिविटी, चीपर प्राइसेस एंड ओवरऑल चिल एनवायरनमेंट. आपने ट्रेल में भी देखा होगा कितना ओपन एरियाज हैं उधर. I'm really happy with today's ride. I think it was worth it. And I'll enjoy rest of my day basking in the glory of this ride. Okay guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one pretty soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.